The only big YouTuber that have shared me out is my guy himself, Maya. Thank you, bro. Maya shared me out once when we did a video at Crate Meet and Crate. He wanted to help me, probably because he saw me with a baby and I'm a single mom. Yeah, I have contact if I want to link up with Maya. Yes. You remember those glasses, guys? Do you remember it? Hey. So I am almost gonna sleep with those glasses. My god. I'm obsessed with it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Lillian, but you have access to call me Lily. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys about the Cameroonian native doctor that did juju for me to get views on YouTube. I hope you're ready. But before we go into the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, put it on all so that anytime I make a video you will be notified. All right, so shall we? Can we? So for the past few days I have got congratulatory messages from all around the world from my beautiful YouTubers. I want to give a very big shout out to you guys. So I hope we are ready for this. Get your popcorn because I'm exposing all the native doctor, all the juju, the sacrifice that I did to start getting these numbers of views that I'm getting now. It's nothing, but in my head is a lot because I know where I have come from. Like, started from the scratch. I've started from zero. I was the only one watching my videos. So to get to a point where I see people ranking from 200 to 500 people watching my video, and by the grace of God above that watching my video, I feel so humble and blessed. I've seen videos here on YouTube. Some people actually believe that you must do some sort of sacrifice to be able to get views on YouTube, like spiritual juju, you know, that kind of thing. Well, in my case, the person that did juju for me to start getting views on YouTube is a Cameroonian. Yeah, she is a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Sweden, and her name is Delibie. Delibie is a YouTuber. Okay, so one day Deli called me. She is not a native doctor, okay, so I'm just joking when I said native doctor. She called me one day. No, there was a day Deli just chatted me and said, okay, I have you in mind a lot, you and Wendy. How are you coping in Accra? And I said, I'm fine. I was in tears that day because I didn't have any money on me and I was just broken. Like, I was angry. I was worried if my baby would be hungry. That's Wendy. As about that time, I did not want to talk to her dad, in fact, because of what happened then. So I was just stranded and annoyed when Deli chatted me and said, oh Lily, I have been having you in mind, please just give me a moment, I'll get back to you. And then she took a moment and got back to me with a receipt and said, take this, go to the bank on Monday and catch this money. And I was like, you'd have asked me, they won't let me, I don't have Ghana card. She said, no, you don't need a Ghana card, all you need is your Nigerian international passport. Go to the bank and catch that money, use it to take care of yourself and Wendy for the time being. And I was like, I checked it, I saw about 1,000 Ghana cedis plus, and I was like, my god, that's a lot of money. So I was like, okay. I was feeling like I'm not going to succeed, but I went to the bank. Eventually I succeeded and then I got the money, came back home. So the following day Deli called me via video call and she told me, change your style of, when I say she insulted me, you know that good insult, like would you tells you the truth that your videos are not good and this is why. Do it like this and you will get views. And then immediately, you know, I had like 2 videos that I've edited. Then as about that time, making videos was not a big deal because I make video about myself, my kids. I just put the camera in front of me and I'm talking, I'm just videoing my kids and I playing, you're just happy. That's all. If I eat, I'll tell people I've eaten rice. Even when they can see the rice and gari, I'll tell them I've eaten rice and gari and this is how to eat rice and gari. You get it? So that was it. And then she now told me that all those things I'm doing there, all rubbish, so I should stop it. I was hurt though, but like, I looked at it like, this is someone that have been there. Like, her channel just blew up. She's in the best position to tell me the truth. She gave me like a full master class that day and told me, I told her I cannot film, I cannot do a lot because I'm nursing. She told me, no, I can do a lot. You put that baby on your back. Put that baby on your back and start doing YouTube videos so that your channel can grow. And I was like, you don't know when they can cry. Say, Lily, don't give me any excuse. Put that baby on your back. Use wrapper, tie that pikin. There's one makeup video that I did. Maybe if you want to see it, I will link it down in the comment section. Oh, I'll link that video down either the comment section or my description, so you can go and check it out. You see that makeup video that I did, I had Wendy on my back. She was telling me, you either do video about do your makeup video, have a niche, do something that people come to learn on YouTube that will make them like your channel and subscribe, or talk about Ghana, the country that you love so much. You have always been disturbing us. You like Ghana, you like Ghana. Now show it to the world that you love Ghana. Make videos about Ghana. Show people beautiful things about Ghana that you like. Share with others. So if you notice at that time I did not post any video for 2 weeks because I was struggling. I told her I cannot afford it. She said, you can afford it. I don't even have money to give you again. You can afford it. Do something. Try your best. Lily, you will do it. And then the first video of mine that I did after that conversation was the Eburi video that got me 1,000 views. I was shocked to the bone marrow. Like me, she did that video, and then I discussed with a friend of mine that I'm not going to disclose here. I'm not going to disclose her identity. I told her, see what somebody have said. And that week, so I attended. I told that friend of mine that, babe, I don't have trust issues, so you're going to help me. I want to grow this channel. You're going to help me. So she was like, I got your back. And then she did all the job, like helping me with tax, helping me, telling me the tax I could use to, I could use. She taught me how to use tax on the video. I applied them. That Eburi video got 1,000 plus. So, and then the white man video where I interviewed the half Ghanaian, half British man that left Jordan to Ghana, came into the, in fact, that video, I almost deleted that video because I was depressed. I had spent all the money I had on buying data. I was so depressed. But that day, I like, okay, if I delete this video so that I can have space on my phone, okay, let me just hold on a bit. There was a day I just went to Renoma DM and I told her, man, sis, I need some money. I'm broke. Like, this is it. Like, I can't do anything. I have videos to post, but I cannot post money. I need some money so I can buy data, so I can upload some videos. Renoma came through. Immediately she did transfer through agents and I cashed the money. I said, okay, let me try again. I bought data. This time I left the house. I went to a busy place where the internet is good. That video came up. Immediately I posted that video. Just like a few days later, the video just started gaining audience and it started bringing me subscribers. The video is not big, but it's coming from where I'm coming from on YouTube. Is a lot for me. Like, it means a lot. A lot of people started to notice my channel, started to comment, started to subscribe. I said I started to make some coins. Just struggling. I was earning money, but via super chats and other goodwill YouTubers. So that video started to change things for me, bring people to the channel, and then I followed suit subsequently. Like, I followed suit the KFC video. I was just following the line she taught me. Just keep your videos, make it precise. Yeah, be doing your makeup videos and alongside do things you love about Ghana, put them on your channel, leave it there. So it was up to me to decide if I was going to continue doing both or not. Immediately people noticed my channel. They came, they did not touch the makeup video, they all went straight into the Ghana video. So it was obvious that that's what people wanted to see. So it's not juju, okay? For those of you that are confused, you're wondering, how did you do it? Tell us now, who shared you out? Nobody shared me out. The only big YouTuber that have shared me out is my guy himself, Wodemaya. Thank you, bro. Wodemaya shared me out once when we did a video at Meet and Crate. He wanted to help me, probably because he saw me with a baby and I'm a single mom. Yeah, I have contact if I want to link up with Wodemaya, yes. But I felt like, okay, I needed to do more work And given the fact that Wodimaya is not around, he's busy, I didn't want to bother him. I said, okay, let me just put in more work and maybe wait. One day we will meet eventually. So nobody shared me out, okay? So a lot of some YouTubers have people that could share them out. Maybe you are Igbo, you speak the same language, your big Igbo YouTubers could share you out. Okay, yeah, once yeah, back then Ziki Ward have shared my video. Thank you very much. She's Igbo, but she shared my video and I got some views from there. I did not, because there was no point going to meet any YouTuber to beg them to share my video, because I don't have anyone that I could connect with to talk about that with. So I just been doing my thing. So this is basically how I came to get views on my channel. There's nothing special, no need, no sacrifice. Yes, I prayed. Yeah, I prayed because I'm even tired. Like, God, this one that I love doing, that it's letting me do, that I don't need connection to do, help me. Yeah, no, I've been praying. Yeah, I've been praying. Okay, so but there's no special thing about it. Anybody can get some views on YouTube, and we are only praying for the better. All right, so I hope you understand. All you have to do on your channel is do what you truly love, and also pay attention to your analytic. Back then I wasn't paying attention to my analytic. I just do what I like. I just talk about Wendy, Praise, and Antonia. I just eat, laugh, talk about my roommates, and that is all. If I go out, instead of showing my audience what they should see, I was busy showing them myself and just opening my teeth everywhere. So when I went from there to showing, you know, taking my viewers more seriously, that is how I started to gain small views. I appreciate them. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. Ciao.